Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see about toothbrush. So when it comes to toothbrush, we usually select it by color, design, model and all. But beyond all these things, we have certain brushes which is particularly used for certain kind of treatment or certain kind of problems. So all these brushes are not known to many of them. So in this video, we are going to discuss all these brushes with the uses. So come, let's go into the video today. So what kind of brush a normal people can use? So to know that, watch till the end of the video. So we have all seen a normal brush, right? So this also looks like a normal brush, but this brush is a specialized brush where the white bristles are longer than the blue bristles. So this toothbrush is used specially in patients with orthodontic treatments because the patients with orthodontic treatment are having their clips and wires stuck into your tooth, and there are maximum chances of your food getting stuck to it, and it is very difficult to remove it when you clean your tooth. So this kind of brush are used for those patients because when you place your toothbrush in 45-degree angulation, these small bristles, that is the blue bristles, will get engaged to your clips and wires, and this white bristles will get engaged to your white tooth. So when you do a 45-degree angulation brushing, it automatically cleans your tooth along with the wires and clips. So when you're using a normal sized brush where all the bristles are in same height, it will pressure the clips and wires to get removed, and it may get weakened also. So when you use this kind of brush, it will clean your tooth along with the wires and clips, where it won't give pressure on the braces, and there will be minimal chances of weakening your clips and braces. So the next is a very weird brush because we have bristles in the back and front, and we don't have any idea where to use, why to use and how to use, right? So this kind of brush is used in patients who are having removable dentures. So something like this, it may be a complete denture or RPD, that is partial denture. So whatever may be the denture, this kind of brush is used to clean the denture, because people have to clean it thoroughly without any lumps or without any dirt stuck to it, because when you are wearing it, we will be having all the saliva stuck to your denture, inward denture, and the outward denture also. We will be having food particles, saliva and germs, and all these things will be there. If you are not cleaning it properly, that may end in ulcers or lesions or something else. By using this brush, we can clean easily, because this front brush is a normal brush where we can clean the tooth with the soap or shampoo, or particularly we have paste for cleaning the denture itself, so you can use that to clean the denture. And front brush is used to clean the teeth, and when it comes to the denture part, we have to clean it with the back bristles, because when you're using in this way, it is very difficult to clean the inner part and it won't get clean. So when you are using the back brush, it is easier to rub all over the denture, and similarly inside also it is very difficult to clean it by going into this gap, your denture, your ridge gap. So when you are using this backside brush, it is easier to clean the inside ridge part. So by this we can clean it easily, and you have to keep your denture in a water or solution for overnight, and again in the morning we have to clean, and then only we have to use. So we have to clean the denture, put it in the water in the night, and tomorrow morning also we have to clean the denture and then wear it. So the next brush, we all love to use this brush in our childhood. This is the electronic brush, where it is powered by the batteries, and it is a button system where the above arrow starts working and the below arrow is indicated to stop. So this bristles can be changed, and we have alternative bristles also. So to again this also we have to change it 2 months once, and we can just remove it and replace with the new bristles, and this can be reused. Where this head have a vibration and a rotation which helps all the teeth to be cleaned properly till the end also. So this cannot be used by normal people or kids especially, because when kids are using this kind of power and power of rotation and vibration, it will rupture their tooth, and it will tend to shake their tooth, because all the tooths are just now erupting, right? So there will be some kind of weakness in it. It takes certain period to get stronger and fix to it permanently. Then for whom we are manufacturing this kind of brush, and for what we are manufacturing this kind of brush, if it is not advised to people or children? These kind of brushes are mainly advised to people who are physically challenged and mentally challenged, because people who cannot handle their own normal brush to brush their tooth, they are advised with this kind of electronic brushes. So only for those people a guardian is going to help them for brushing. So when they are doing the brushing, it is very difficult for the guardian to reach the last tooth, or it is very difficult to go with the straw to clean the tooth. So they are advised with this kind of electronic brushes which gives a proper vibration and proper rotation which is necessary for the tooth to get cleaned. So the next is a interdental brush, commonly used for patients who are under gingival problems, or under periodontal problems, or under orthodontic treatment. Everyone can use this interdental brush where they have bristles in a smaller version. So this helps in cleaning the interdental spaces. So if this is the mouth, we are going to leave this bristles between two tooth like this. So the interdental spaces are getting cleaned properly, where our food particles get stuck, and there are more chances of giving a proximal caries. So avoiding that, we are using this kind of bristles. In normal patients or normal people, it is not so much advised, or it is not necessary to use it. But when people having periodontal problem where the bones are getting reduced and there is more gap between two tooth, it is advised with the interdental brushes to clean the spaces, because if there is a more amount of food particle getting stuck into it, it will increase the periodontal problem or gingival problem. So to avoid it, we are using this kind of brushes. So when you're using this kind of brush, it is easier to remove all the dirt between them. So when it comes to babies, we have to clean their mouth after every meal. So what is the procedure, how to clean the teeth and how to clean the mouth, and what kind of brushing we have to teach, what kind of toothpaste we have to use? All these kind of information we have already given in a video, and link is in the description. So today we are going to see about the finger brush. So finger brush is nothing but a rubber like thing which fits into your index finger, and this is used for babies from 3 months to 36 months. So this kind of brush is used to clean the small teeth and their tongue. So the back side we have grip, and this will clean their tongue. It is very important to clean their tongue, because that will develop the feeling of the taste. So cleaning their tongue after every meal, that will improve their taste buds to tend the taste. So and this bristles, it is very soft and very flexible, so this will help to clean the tooth which is getting erupted, in small tooth which is getting erupted. So this can be used by your personal hand. So instead of putting just your finger, it will not clean the tooth, right? So when you are putting along with this, the baby will feel it is your hand and your finger which is getting into it, so it will allow your finger to go into their mouth and it will feel safe. At the same time, this bristles will help in cleaning the tooth, and this will help in cleaning the tongue. Even then also, it is very easier to carry, and it is easier to clean also, clean it with a warm water. So people without these problems or necessity, what kind of brush we can use is a soft bristle or ultra soft bristle, because when it comes to soft bristle or ultra soft bristle, it will not hurt your tooth and enamel. But when it comes to medium or hard, what happens is it tends to rupture your enamel, or it tends to break your enamel or weaken your tooth, so that will end in sensitivity. So to avoid all these issues, number one is a proper brushing technique. For proper brushing technique, the link is given in the description, you can just check it. And number two is using a soft bristle or ultra soft bristle which will not hurt your enamel. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. We have a lot more to come.